With no effort from you, Husqvarna Automower will mow your lawn to perfection. Millions of them are already out there, taking care of everything from small urban gardens to large and challenging lawns, up to 7,500 square meters. If you have slopes that are challenging to mow, there's the all-wheel drive model that can handle inclines of an impressive 70%. The virtual boundary defines the working area with centimeter precision. It makes sure the mower reaches all areas and manages any passages. When the mower is done for the day, it will automatically return to the charging station. By alternating the route, track marks on your lawn are effectively prevented. Don't worry about raking. The clippings left will nourish your lawn, becoming healthier the longer Automower is out there working. The robotic mower can work without disturbing anyone thanks to the low noise level. With the app, you can easily adjust and customize your installation. Set cutting height, mowing schedule, and much more. Innovative features you will no doubt enjoy include personalized zone control, both temporary stay-out zones or flexible working areas, allowing for different settings in different areas. Edge cut that minimizes your trimming, advanced object avoidance. Choose between a seamlessly mown lawn or a mowing pattern, stripes, checkerboard, diamond. Also, rain or shine, doesn't matter. It will get the job done, day after day, year after year. You can either install the mower yourself or let one of our local expert dealers help you. Choose between an installation with virtual boundaries, completely wire-free, or a classic physical boundary and guide wire. Today we are more certain than ever. There's a Husqvarna robotic solution for every lawn. It's a claim we love to prove over and over again, just as much as you love your lawn.